Hey guys, and today we're gonna be opening up ALOLA ALOLA trading card box. Okay, I just opened my first thing. I got a Clefairy, I think it's called. Pokepuff. Oopie thing. Litwick.
Yeah, this is not what
And
I needed.
I don't know, this keychain guy. This. This. Non-pass. Reverse Rapidash. And this mega, I don't know. It's double. It's mixed. These are double. Okay, I'll put it like right here. Okay, I just opened it. I got a trainer potion. I'm a choke. A full heal. A Diglett. A Voltorb. Machop. Ruffle. Water energy. Oh! Water energy. Oh! Ninetales break. I got Ninetales break. Ninetales break. Oh, man, am I getting lucky. And Radicate.
Yeah, man.
Brody, if you wait till Ryder's done doing his video, I'll help you do the video, okay?
Okay, I opened the other one.
You gotta have
This. I don't know. I have no idea. Same, no idea. Legend. No idea. No idea.
Now you have your video viewer set up.
No idea. No idea.
Let him finish his.
No,
when he's done recording. And
what? How is it? Mega Alakazam break. Actually, Mega Alakazam EX. Man, am I getting lucky.
That doesn't do that much damage.
Whatever. It's a Mega.
It does only 10.
Dude, whatever. Get out. Oh, man. Wow. Wowzo mundo. Okay, I opened it. This.
We're gonna do it like a talk show, okay?
This.
We'll do it at the big table.
Reverse Valley Trainer. No idea. Max Potion.
Any good?
Electabuzz. No idea. Ooh, a Froakie.
Brody, you want some milk with your cookie?
Corsola. Drowsy. Razor Spirit Link Reverse. And this. Okay, this one wasn't that lucky, but it was okay. I'll put the Spirit Link in this pile. Okay, I did it like the last one.
There's a really good card.
Slowbro Spirit Link. Brock Split, Grit, some sort of spray, Growlithe, ooh, Pikachu,
That's fat.
Psychic Energy, Charmander, Eradicate, Magikarp, Misty, Scratchy Misty. I'll put it right here. Okay, these are all the great cards if someone just came over, or if you accidentally got over this Misty, a Spirit Link, Alakazam, Mega Alakazam EX, Ninetales Break, and another Mega that I don't know, and it's a mix. Make sure to see my brother's video. That he's gonna do a few minutes later. Goodbye. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this that I got. The GX. I don't know how you get a GX. This is a huge card. Okay, this is huge. Yeah, it's as big as my arm. Wow, I'm gonna hang it up on my wall.
So,
wow. Okay, and also I got this figure out of it and a pin. Okay, now goodbye.
Why did you get this? Where did you get this?
It came. Okay, goodbye.